Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. My name's Kevin. Today is Sunday, and as soon as I turned on the app, it was offer after offer after offer. There was even some decent offers that I declined because it was way out of my zone. I'm trying to stay into my zone tonight. The weather's really bad. It's really slippery. But first, I got to tell you about this amazing offer. $18.62, 39 minutes. Yes, we're picking up Indian food. We're picking up Baton Rouge. I think it's chicken and ribs. Let's go grab them both and get this night started. Hi, picking up for Uber, 248C9, Roby.
Roby?
Perfect, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good night. Hi, I'm picking up for Uber Eats for Cibele. C-I-B-E-L-E. Wonderful, thank you so much. Have a wonderful night. Thanks. That was awesome. It was done under time, about 36 minutes all in. That first delivery was odd. It did have meat at door, and it also asked for a PIN as well. The customer provided her PIN before I even got there, and then I asked her if she wanted me just to leave it, so I did. Never really happens that much, but I'm really happy. I didn't have to wait for someone to come to the door. I was able to knock it out, get it done, continue on. And then during the second drop-off, Uber started dinging me. I had to decline, a decline, a decline. All of these offers were no good. I didn't take any of them. I started to drive away, and guess what? More offers came. More offers came. They were pausing me. They were timing me out. I eventually settled with this one, $8.32 for 21 minutes. It took me about 6 minutes to get here, so why not? This restaurant's typically ready. Let's grab it. Let's continue on and make some money. Hi, Uber Eats for Paul.
There's a bag behind you.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. Pick it up for Uber Eats, Catrid.
Catrid, yeah, for sure.
Thank you.
Can I see the Uber number for Catrid?
Of course.
She did 2 orders.
Oh, okay.
It was the same driver, so I put it together.
7563F.
It's gonna be this one. Then.
Yeah, they only gave me one.
Yeah, no, originally it was someone was picking it up and they were picking up both of them.
Yeah.
And then I saw that it like changed and then it was 2 different drivers and I was like, okay, well now I have to take out the other one.
All right, thank you.
Perfect.
How you doing tonight? Doing well, thanks. Let me get your dinner for you.
Sure.
No problem at all. There you go, sir. Enjoy.
Thank you. Take care.
Take care. As soon as I approached this apartment, I was getting offers I was declining. They weren't very good at all, but they were coming in. That means there's tons of orders out there for drivers. I ended up taking this one, $16.58, 34 minutes, 17 kilometers, right at my alley. It's a double order. Let's go grab it. We're over 50 bucks, people. This is amazing. I haven't done a Sunday in a while. Loving it. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. I'd absolutely love you for it. Thanks. Yeah, I have 2 orders for Uber Eats.
Okay.
DC33B.
DC33B.
Yes.
This one here.
And 3D2DF.
3D2DF.
Yes. That's that one. Perfect.
Okay. Take care.
Thank you.
Need help?
There you go. Enjoy. Thanks. Bye. That last drop-off was rather interesting. Take a look at the notes the customer left me. It says, throw onto the balcony if you see me. If not, leave at door. That to me was absolutely a crazy request. Really, throw it up on the balcony? Let me show the house so you can see how high that balcony is. Could you just imagine if he was there and he has his hand sticking out and there I am throwing up sushi hoping he catches it? Absolutely ridiculous. Comment down below. Let me know what the weirdest request you've ever gotten in the notes or through text. This one takes the cake for me. Absolutely ridiculous. But you want to know what's not ridiculous? This offer, $12.03, 27 minutes. It's getting later, so offers are starting to slow down, but I'm glad I grabbed this one. Let's go grab it. Great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Uber Eats for ML, Taco Bell.
For ML?
ML.
There you go.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you. How you doing tonight?
How are you?
Doing well, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no worries. Have a good night. Merry Christmas. been busy, so that's not a bad thing. Let's maybe just leave it right there, and then I have to take a picture. Have a great night.
Oh, you take care.
Take care. Thankfully, those last 2 orders were really easy. I could hand it to the customer, not throw it at her. That was crazy. I still can't get over that. Throw it up on the balcony. Anyways, onwards and upwards, let's look at this one. $8.54, 21 minutes. It came right away. Let's go grab it and keep the night rolling. Hi, Uber Eats 6EBB2. Great, thank you.
No problem.
You too. Yeah, no worries at all.
Thanks, man.
Enjoy. You too, take care. So I've started to notice a trend tonight. Base pay has been really high. Tips have been really low. Even though I'm getting good offers, making really good money, I haven't been getting the giant tips or even really big tips tonight, to be honest with you. That last one, which was about $8.54, the base pay that they gave me was $6.54. So the customer only gave $2. And I've been seeing a lot of $1 tips, $2 tips, $3 tips. I think the biggest tip I've gotten all night was $5 or $6. So it looks like there's not a lot of drivers that are taking those low ball offers and then the base pay is going up. Either way, I'm happy that the money's coming to me, and I'm also happy with this one. $13.07 for only 25 minutes. 1 pizza, that's it. Wonder what the base pay will be. Let's find out. Hi, Uber Eats for Ryan? Ryan, yes. Perfect. Thank you. So what happened again, that last one that was worth $13.05, $7.70 base pay. For a 25-minute delivery, that never happens. They usually give you between $3 and $4. So just interesting tonight, high base pay, lower tips. It's just over a $5 tip. Not complaining, 1 pizza, $5. No big deal there, but just the fact that it's a higher base pay and they're intriguing us to try to take it. That's been happening all night. Again, no complaints, and I'm not complaining about this one either. $14.05 for 39 minutes. That one's a little long, but it's getting towards the end of the night. It's slowing right down. Might as well take it and cash in my chips. Hi, Uber Eats for Molly and Jake. Perfect, thank you. There you go, enjoy. Thank you. Yep, the same thing happened again. That double order that was worth $14.05, $10.05 was the base pay. So between the two, there's a $4 tip, whether that's one person or each gave $2. I don't know, I don't care, but I got to my goal tonight. My grand total for this evening, $100.51. I'll take that all day, every day. I wasn't sure what to expect on a Sunday. I was hoping if I can get around $70, $80, I was gonna be happy. Just over 4 hours, $100, $25 an hour. Yes, go me. I absolutely love it. And if you stay to the end, I absolutely love that too. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.